You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. Yes, if you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. We've got more videos for you. At the end of this one, pronounced everyone. Every, alright, there's no, the second E is essentially ignored in the pronunciation in English, okay? Both British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. Every, okay? Nobody says every. It's written every, but it's every, but there's no V syllable. It's every. Everyone. Everyone. Now, you stress on the first syllable, okay? So it's not everyone, it's everyone. Everyone. Can you hear the difference between everyone or everyone? Let me know in the comments. English pronunciation, how to pronounce everyone. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.